2025 is just around the corner, and it's time to set your sights on financial success. In this video, we'll share 5 simple steps to help you become rich in 2025. The first step to achieving wealth is to set clear and achievable goals. What do you want to achieve financially in 2025? Be specific and write down your goals. A budget is essential for managing your finances. Track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth. Start by researching different investment options and consulting with a financial advisor. Don't rely solely on your primary income. Explore opportunities to earn additional income through side hustles or investments. Building wealth takes time and consistency. Stay committed to your financial goals and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Becoming rich in 2025 is achievable with the right mindset and strategies. By following these 5 steps, you can take control of your financial future and create a prosperous life. Subscribe now for more financial tips and advice.